Has it ever wondered how people create those viral AI story videos in just minutes? Well, today, I'll show you how you can do it too, effortlessly with Short AI, from script to video, all in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. Go to Short AI and click on AI Story Video. Choose a background style, watercolor, Pixar, sci-fi, or even Disney. Now pick a story theme, fairy tale, mystery, or horror. You can even write your own prompt. Now write your video hook. CTTA and select the duration of your video, and Short AI will generate the script for you. You can make changes in the script if you want. Click Next and add subtitles, select a voice for narration, and pick background music to match the vibe. Hit Generate, and in seconds, your AI story video is ready to go, complete with transitions, voiceover, and effects. And just like that, your AI story video is ready to go viral.
Once upon a time, there was a poor man. In a tranquil village nestled between soft hills lived an elder named Alaric. His smiles warmed every heart. Each night, villagers gathered around his flickering fire. He spun tales of stars, whispers, and kindness. One evening, a weary traveler named Elia arrived. She had lost her way and carried doubt in her heart. Alaric welcomed her with gentle words and brewed chamomile tea. He shared a story of a brave little moonbeam who found her light by helping others. Elia listened, feeling hope blossom within. With Alaric's words echoing in her mind, she found confidence in her steps. As the sun rose, she bid farewell, carrying Alaric's warmth in her heart. Subscribe for more.
Want to try it yourself? Click the link in the description to get started with Short AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI video you'll create next.